Today, guys, I am going to be playing Lab Monkey. And yes, I already played this game, so I decided to record it. I know I just made a video, and let's go do this game. Okay, it looks pretty cool. If you have to play this game, it is super good. So back, let's try this. Oh my gosh! What the heck? What?
You guys know where the badge is? What do you mean badge?
What is
this? What do
this?
you mean the badge is?
Oh, this looks awesome!
This is
Bro,
sicker
look at this,
than
dude!
sick.
Guys!
What the hell?
This is sicker than sick.
Guys, I'm recording right now. Oh my gosh! There's a demon organ! And another rail! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
They went that way. They went that way. They went that way. They went that way.
This is just crazy! Oh, guys, this is gonna be a long video, so tune in. What is this, dude? Juke! Oh my gosh. Anyways, I love it.
How do you play this game?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes! Oh, how do you get in here? Nothing to do down here.
Bagels.
Yeah, really. You just get to go in here. Guys, you can just go in here. See?
I know. How do you play this game?
Hello. Golly, that's loud. Got 3, 2, 1. How much time I got left? I got 1 minutes.
So what?
Bro.
So when you go after it, come here.
This is awesome.
When it kills they call me Riz and you wanna be me. The Riz.
Why did they decide to make this? What is so interesting about this monster? Oh, guys, it looks like we got another YouTuber, Taurus VR. Yeah. If you know him, like, subscribe. Alright. And guys, I got something to tell y'all. People been calling me 6-year-old, and by the way, I am 11. Like I said in the other video, if you have never watched the video that this is my first real video, go watch that, and you.
This bull's trash.
And then like you will
Why is the bull so trash? It's just trash.
tells you that I'll get my own YouTube channel in 2 years. And yes, like I said about the other videos, just ignore them because this is my old parent account. I can't get my own account yet like that. So they just tell me to use their account until I get a YouTube channel. So yes, and yes, it's all good. I don't know. So one day I want to be popular. Maybe one day I will. I got a friend named Jace. Like his name is Spidey J. B. I ain't gonna say his name. Yeah, he's my best friend, and he's gonna be probably in one of my videos, and he's my sidekick. So yeah. So I'm just trying to make this video.
Watch this.
I am getting tired.
Watch my normal running speed. Watch my normal running
Stay
speed.
here.
Now watch me put on mods.
Let's hope you get faster, bro.
What does that mean, guys? What does that mean? Wait, do you know what that means?
Juke.
Exit.
Gotta be out the freaking.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
Get in.
Guys, I'm about to get high anger issue, so yeah.
And I died.
Don't shoot me, so y'all.
So the second I exit this,
Yeah, I already told you guys. I'm sorry. Blooper!
Who needs help?
Guys, this is just like a
I know, I hear you.
You have to stay out.
Same, I'm just going
This
to
ain't the scariest game I
easy.
play. I need to show y'all a game that I would like. It's gonna be called the scariest game girls hate. People need to know this game, dude. Y'all have to get This is a long video, so guys, so stick around.
Let's play Monkey.
I'm getting angry.
quicker than quicker.
Grabbing.
4, 3, 1.
I'm doing it, but it's not working. It's not working though. Whoa!
Time to get out of this background.
Knew it. I knew it.
Oh gosh, what is this?
Click more.
Ah!
Nobody do not go down there. It will scare me.
Oh god.
Oh.
Guys,
Okay, now.
time to leave! Yes! Bye-bye! Yes! This is so awesome, guys.
I made
Oh
it.
my gosh.
You ain't done.
Let's go.
Guys, this is, look at this game. What happened to Monkey? Monkey! Monkey!
Wait, how do you get that here?
We got it fun.
He's helpless.
What is this? That's what is this?
He's helpless.
I'm gonna go all the way to the
How
top.
do we get out of here?
This level is just free to press buttons and run away from the monsters or that kind of stuff. Look, I already found them.
In the daydreams, in the night fall, in the night
Ooh, look. Dang, this is a creepy level. This is just creepy. Play Doctor. Play Doctor is popular, I'm telling you. I'm gonna keep on trading you.
Guys, wait up.
You're a monkey.
Yeah.
I was about to pee my pants. Oh my gosh.
Guys, y'all might not want to be
Bro has mom.
around me. Can you stop, bro? I'm not following you. Bro, Zane, where are you going? Alright, now.
Yes. I need one more button.
Guys,
I need one
you
more
got
button.
scared. Don't follow me if you're not scared. Let's get jump scared.
I'm not scared. I'll follow you.
You gotta get jump
I've
scared.
already finished, didn't I?
Hey, who knows where more buttons are?
Sorry, guys.
Hello? He doesn't want to change the jump scare. What the frick is that? Who the heck is this?
Did we get walls, guys? Did we get
Billy
walls?
Bob Jr.
Yes.
What is this? There is a
Button.
I'm gonna pour on you. I'm gonna pour
No
on
one's
said
going
it.
to reset the game, bro.
Nah. Yeah, the game is going back to the order.
I need to get out. That was a good level, guys. That was a good level.
Yeah. Hello.
Great level.
Dino.
Great level.
So press all of these.
Oh,
Go to the
God.
player list.
Another
Press
button
leave,
level.
and then go to the computer.
And then what's your name?
Hey, yo!
D-I-N-O.
Oh, heck no, there's a downstairs. There's a freaking downstairs. There's a freaking downstairs, bro. That's the basement, bro. Oh, crap, I don't see it. I can hear people screaming. Oh, yeah, button. Oh, shoot.
What's this activity? This is actually crazy.
But she's crazy. She ugly.
How do I do this one? I'm new to this.
I don't know. I'm new to this
Oh my gosh,
I
dude.
just got this game too. I got this game too. We can learn together. Let's go explore.
Fire on.
I don't know. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, that is just crazy, dude, how they do this.
I hear
Oh, it's just AI. Oh!
you go up here.
Is it the fire alarm?
Oh! She might be coming. Stop chat. What's up?
I'm gonna go downstairs again.
Hey, bro. Oh, Skibbity Riz. Oh, Skibbity Riz.
Let's go over that mountain.
That's my lord.
Downstairs. Yeah, downstairs. Can I find a button? Can I find a button? Is there a button here?
No, man. Wait.
I want to check out what it is. Who?
Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's
Who?
coming, guys. What the
I said who? I'm scared, bro. Bro, I am actually going to paint my pants, guys. This is just crazy. How the only bad thing about this game is just it's AI.
Guys, what do I use this book for?
We gotta get 4 more.
Guys, what do I use this book for?
Oh my gosh, dude.
Guys,
You already got a dude. There's a way to draw freaking legs. I'm trying to go up. How do I go up? There we go. I ain't gonna Oh my gosh. It's just my parents in the background, guys, yeah.
how many basement doors are there?
I need three more fire alarms. Blue.
Oh my gosh, dude. This is just crazy. I need to get out. Gosh, I need to get out. Yes. What in the absolute heck is this? They got a circus here, guys? Oh no. Can I pull this? This is all coming out.
Why do I
Oh,
hear?
dude. There's a wrench up here.
What did you say?
You gotta turn on the lights to make it not scary.
I can see this monster now. I can see this fire guy.
This is kind of
Cool. Monster.
Level break that.
he ugly. Now, how much is he ugly, bro?
Yo, I'm the Rizzler. I am the Skibody.
Guys. Hello?
Okay.
Okay, what's in here? What's in here? Oh crap! Oh my! Move!
To my
Look at
digital.
that monster guy.
That means a lot to me, dude.
I'm pretty sure it's coming out of nowhere. He came out of nowhere.
It's nice having someone you can trust without, like, thinking that they'll spoil your secret.
Hundredth time! He ugly. Guys, he is just ugly.
Not accepting your face.
Yes, he's ugly.
Day after day after
Oh, shoot! There's one right here.
Am I losing it? Am I going? Guys, I can see you.
Finally. I think I only got one more, guys.
I can help you. I know where it's down there. Oh my god. What is that? What the? What is that thing?
I'm shooting. I'm done. I'm getting
I'll come with area. Yo, I'll come with you.
Oh, anniversary. Bro had a big farm. Finally. Well, we ain't gonna give me more. Yes! Finally! Yes! Yeah, those are more better percentages. Okay, that's good. Hey. Bro, what is this?
Heck you do. Heck you do. Listen.
Okay, so up level. Yes! That's a dog. There's a dog down here. Move! Got a key. This is the vents. Guys, this is called the hallways. This is... I need to get to the room that we get to. Oh, heck no. No. He's gone. Yeah. Yes. What's this? How many keys do you? How many keys do you got? How many keys do you got?
I know where all of them are, bro. I know where all of them are.
Please show me, bro. Please.
Alright, how many do you have?
One. I only got the third one. I got the one that hit. So I need.
Here, follow me.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro. I am filming. Oh, and by the way, bro, the guy who showed me this stuff, you're on video. You're on video. You're on video. I'm sending us on YouTube.
Where do I go? Wait.
Yes.
No, it was a horse. Follow me. It was a horse.
Yeah. You go to jail. Yeah. That's a really good burger. The burger is a dumb movie. And that's the locker room down there.
Bro, how many do you have? How many?
How many? Those are horse.
Put it in there.
Both level, bro. Is that Minecraft? coins do you got? How many coins do you got?
I got 6. I have 6.
Bro, follow me.
I got
know
2.
where one is.
Okay, bet. There's one up there?
I already put one in. I already put one in.
I got 2.
Guys, look up.
I already put one in. I don't have any. What are we supposed to get?
Oh, everything is buff in this one. Everything is buff. A buff monkey?
Get the monkey out. Get the monkey. No, he's coming. He's coming.
Hey, come in.
That one close too. Yes, it does.
Guys, I got all of them.
How many? Where are they at? Where are they at? Where are they
I'll
at?
show you.
Huh? People are just really slow.
Speed run.
I found a key.
Oh, there is. What are we doing? He is. Look at his hair. He has a bad hairline, bro. Every monster is buff. Even the dog, bro.
Hey, King Kong, how's it going, bro?
Go! Just die slowly. Here's a flathead. Bro, guy with the helmet. You know where all them they are? Do you know where they are? Sorry, no, ma'am. Sorry, that's my mom. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this was crazy after. Yeah, guys. This is so awesome. Bro, where's the keys at? Can someone please help me? Please help me. I'm not in video. Guys, I might do a part 2. I might have to do a part 2, bro. Instead of no one is helping me in this time. Guys, you want me to skip this level? Does anyone know where all the buttons are? Does anyone know where all the buttons are?
Where there's buttons?
I meant, no. Keys. Hey, do you know where all the keys are? Where are the keys? Where are all the keys? I only got 3. I need 1 more. And I'm doing a video right now. I am not going back that way. Oh guys, I want to get back on my computer. Sorry guys. Guys, that level is so hard. I want to go to the last level, guys. I'm going to go to the last level, bro. Yeah, I'm going to go to the last level. Yeah, that level is hard. I'm sorry I didn't get to finish it, but hope you can forgive me. Waiting. Bro, how are you going to load your fear, bro? You don't need to load your fear. I could just get back in the game, bro. Come on. Bro, okay, finally. 78%. It's the highest. Yeah. Ooh, my nest. I'm in my bed. Yeah, no ma'am. Sorry. That's my mom. Okay. I'm on the last level. The bathroom? School hospital.
How do I know what code it was? I want to turn
Now, the bathroom. What is this?
Guys, I'm
Okay. This is the bathroom level, apparently.
No, it's not the ones that have the.
Yeah. What is it? Tell me.
Impossible to
Tell
tell.
me to press the.
I have only currently.
What is that?
Someone help! This is the worst.
Tell me first. Dang. She ugly.
Does anyone know where the free cosmetic is?
No.
No, guys, this is
I need to
my
put this away.
video today because I'm just here to see all the levels and beat them, kind of. So yeah. So I'll see you later. Bye.
How do I become
Bye.
stuck?